Okay, to answer this question, you do need a pair of compasses, and I can't use my compass on this, otherwise it will break my monitor. However, I'm going to try my best to replicate it so that with a pair of compasses you'll be able to do this. So we're asked to draw a bisector of the angle ABC, which just means a straight line that is always the same distance away from AB as it is from BC. And there's just one way of doing this. So the first thing we need to do is put our compass at B, so put the point at B, and draw an arc about halfway between A and B. It doesn't matter, but about halfway always suits me, something like that, and to go all the way to BC. Now from that arc you want to draw another arc, and normally use the same distance from where that line the arc you've just drawn hit line AB. So here, this point here. So we want to put our compass point there and draw another arc over here. Now we're going to do the same thing, but this time from where that arc hit line BC, and keep the distance the same. That's the important thing. So I'm going to keep the distance the same. I'm going to draw my arc there. And then finally, all I need to do is draw my line. And let's pick a colour. I'm going to pick purple to finish this off. Draw my line from where the angle is at B through where those two arcs intersected. Now, if you did this perfectly, actually mine doesn't look too bad, but if you did this perfectly, the line will be kind of the halfway point between line AB and BC. Now, the examiners are looking for the three arcs that I've shown. So the red one here, the purple one here, and the blue one here, as well as that line that I've shown. So don't rub anything out.